Hi, good morning, Get Forex Alerts. It is 8:30, September 25 on a Friday. I hope this day finds you well. I wanted to quickly highlight our Matrixfx software and what we're looking for in a trade or a trade alert. Um, the Matrix software is an incredible piece of software. If you take a look, we're getting sell signals, and the euro dollar pair by itself is struggling to remain dominant for now. I'm going to get to that for now in just a minute. But what we saw here is we saw another arrow indicating down to sell this pair. We saw a cross through the zero line here on the MACD. The Stoch was on its way down. It's kind of low, yeah, kind of scary a little bit. But what I like is if you draw a fib on here, just take the high to a low point, roughly. This pair went all the way back up just past the 50 line, didn't hit the 61, then it started coming down. This is a very good indication that this pair is going to continue its trend down. As you can see here, we had a downward trend. If you want to draw a fib on here, very similar, you can draw the fib. This one went all the way up to about the 61, and we're looking to re-entry, roughly back on the 38 level. And sure enough, here's another sell signal right here. So that's in a nutshell what we're looking for. And I'm going to go ahead and delete these indicators. Just hit delete. Now we can keep this one on. This pair is really coming down nice, what we're seeing on here. How far can we expect it to go? Well, the pair is on a major uptrend, but we're starting to see some pretty good resistance up at the top. I'm going to go ahead and click on the daily level. What I drew here is a channel. Here's a down. This is a trend line on the bottom, trend line on the top. I just took the low points, and you can kind of see the channel that it's currently in. I'm also going to click on a 4-hour, and when you look at a 4-hour channel, we could probably draw maybe a few more lines on here on the 4-hour, just to take a look at a few things as far as where we want to put an entry point. I'm going to put the 1-hour. Okay, here's the 1-hour. I'm going to zoom back a little bit on the 1-hour and draw a line here. And we may see a little bounce off of that line here, which we kind of did. We're seeing a little bit of bounce, but if it busts through this line, we do expect to see some more downtrend. If we were to put a trade in, I'm going to just pop back to this 15-minute. On our sell signal right here, we would have been putting a take profit 1 about right here. And then a take profit 2 would be lower on down. So what we're looking for, and I think it's on the daily. Here's the couple of trend lines we look for on the resistance. We're going to look for an entry level, and if you can kind of pick a day, here's a support 3 level right around 4,500. This would be a good entry level to go long on the euro dollar, as we expect this pair to extend its dominance. But when you're looking at a daily perspective, we are starting to see a correction. We're looking for it to come back down to about the 45 level, and then we're looking for this pair to shoot back up to, well, let's go ahead and go back to this hourly. As you can see here, I'm just going to zoom so you guys can see this. We're looking for this pair to continue back. I mean, as you can see here, it's going to go all the way back. We're expecting this thing to hit the 50 level, and then eventually all the way up to the 55 level. So we're looking for this pair to continue its upside, but for now, what we're looking at is we are looking to just ride this pair down a little bit. And let me get my chart back here. Oh. There we go. There's the chart back. But anyway, so that's what we're looking for. I hope that helps. The overall uptrend I feel is still intact, but we are looking to enter this pair at about the 4,500 level. Stop loss based on the couple of trend lines, we're looking for around 44.50. Pair could come all the way down to 43.50, but that is what we are looking at. I hope that helps. You guys have a great day trading.